All right, stocks 5150. We back. This is post ADP numbers. As you can see here, I got my results on the thing. We only made like 22,000 jobs for January. That was less than expected. So they expected less, but they got far less than they expected. So market reacted mutedly. And, we got these couple dojis right here. That was the first one, and this is where we sit. Nothing really. Kind of like they expected it to be lower, but not that low. But it's just basically the same. So the position that I'm in, I'm still fighting with the one that I had from yesterday, like an idiot. And yeah, nothing burger on that too. It went up a little bit overnight, but that's not the target. The target is up here. Where is the target? Target is here, and we are not close to that at all. Nope, not at all. So let me move this over here. But that's the ADP for the 22nd. 22,000 jobs, and we are down 393 on the day. 623 since I opened this position. Not looking good. I was expecting or hoping to get some type of this is overnight. Overnight you see we had a little pop, but look at that. That was a lower high. It didn't do anything. Just got back even and back even. I could have got out there. Probably should have got out, but I was asleep. So overall, we're still in this range right here right now. This seems like a new 15-minute range right here. We've been chopping here since we dropped down in here. So right here at the bottom, that's where we've been sitting. I don't even know what to call that type of formation. Let me see what I got. What they call it? A morning star? Could be a morning star. Yeah, no, not yet. This is still going down. That could be a morning star. But right now, we're just neutral. Don't know what the day is gonna bring, but we're pushed. We got a bottom wick and slight top wick. It's on the 15 minute. Go back down to the 5. Like I said, look at that doji, 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 doji. This was the data right here. Well, this is the data right here. We got a slight little pump there, but we came right back in within that range. So nothing special at all. Nothing special at all. You know, I gotta mute this. They got rid of my AI twin on my thing, so hold on. All right, I had to go back through and re-record something. Anyway, this is not word. This market data. Look at this, we're falling. The bottom wicking, but we're still in the same level. So I mean, it's just not looking good. Not sure how the market's gonna react to this. It's right now pre-market. We're not looking good at all. It's not responding the way I thought. Definitely not the volatility I was hoping. I was hoping the volatility would be to the upside, but this is February. Well, we're already at the bottom. It's kind of too late to go short. Is it too late to go short? Like if we zoom back out, we look at this on the daily. There's room to the downside. We can go lower. You know what I'm saying? That can definitely happen. A lot lower. There's the 200 right there. On the 4 hour, we're already at a key support level. And, but it's still on the downtrend. Wow, Nvidia's at 179. It's falling. Weakness already. Everything is red. So this is a continuation. It's looking like. What's up, everyone? The stock's like 50 here. If you're looking to level up your financial game, come to the right place. We're done. All right, let's talk stocks and making moves. You know, getting that stocks 50. All right, let's talk stocks and making moves. You know, getting that stocks 50 150 page out there going viral on all platforms. All right, so picture this. You're not just watching the market, you're in it, like planting a money tree. Think of stocks as your personal forest, growing value every day. What's up, everyone? The Stocks by 450 here. If you're looking to level up your financial game, you come to the right place. We're diving deep into everything that makes money move, from day trading and futures to the latest market news and data. My goal is to help you and your family build real wealth, because being healthy and happy starts with being financially free. I'm even using NVIDIA AI to bring these insights to life. Let's stay focused, stay invested in this money. Stocks 5150. Let's go. All right, we're still falling. right, it's time to get out. This ain't going the route I thought, so we're gonna cut this. We're trying to hold and thinking that maybe it will pull up, but bro, it does not want to pull up. Or do I stomach it? Hold on. Look at this meet more of what it was the past couple days. 1, 2, 3 days down. 4 days down. There's no reason. Well, ADP numbers. I don't know, man. Something tells me it's gonna bounce though. You know, what's today? Today is Thursday. No, today is Wednesday. Stupid dogs. I mean, we getting the bottom week, so somebody has to step in. These buyers get this dip. Everybody's being malaise right now. Like I'm thinking ES is probably even down. Of course it is, because Nvidia's down. It's at 179. This is just like yesterday. All right, that's no bottom wick. Very slight, so oh, dangerous. Yeah, so we gap down. All right, that one came in a little higher, but we're still below the five. We got a lot of work to do. Yeah, I just got out, man. I ain't dealing with this shit today. I'll take that 597 as a loss. I'll try to get it back later, but I'm not gonna sit here and fight with this. I'm not gonna sit here and fight with this because that's defeat. That's what just happened. Look, so where we at? Year to date now we're in the hole. Bam, back 1100 over here. So we gotta climb out of that hole. All right, not a problem. Not a problem. $40 a day. Let's get back to it. Reset. We're not even trying to go up. So I'm gonna wait for the 5 minute ORB and see what we get. Yeah. Do two. And yet again, I did. I went long again, didn't I? I was going for bounce back up to this, back up to 382. Three 72. See if we get up. Still bearish, not pulling up at all. All right, gave it up. Look at that. That's what I was looking for to target. If we get a bounce, we're not getting anything on this one. Where are we at? Oh man, it's a fair value gap right there. Back here. Might be targeting that. Jeez Louise. Like this is more the same from yesterday. Like we giving up what we had to start back off where we were at. Jeez. Trying to get a little small bite. See, so I'm doing the same thing. I'm trying to counter trend trade again, and that's not what I should have did. I'm looking for a pullback up to the 14 at least. That's a hard fought battle. The 14 is sitting at 374 or 372. It's a losing battle right now. All right, so today should definitely be shorts. Understood. Switching gears. Right after this one, if I get out of this one alive, switch gears and go short. Should already switch gears. Look at that. It ain't bouncing nowhere. Would it bounce at 328? Wow. And I went in at 331. We're sitting at 328. That's crazy. That's 75. Oh, I went at 351. Oh, I'm 20 points down. Damn it, man. I may be asking for too much to get back to 372. It's 9 o'clock. All right, we get a bounce. No. Now we're gonna run into the 5 and probably pull back again. Or we got enough velocity we can push up through there. Need to get up to 25,406. Nope, hit it and bounce back. 5 minute candle coming up. Stay below the 5. Pushing. Still tripping over the fact that the ADP numbers didn't do nothing. It was just like a nothing burger. Like nothing happened. You know what I'm saying? We're getting right back to it and then just not through it. Well, let's go. Let's bounce. Break up past the 5. Head towards the 14. Do something normal for once. It's heavy resistance though above. It's like nobody's buying this market. It's only shorts. What do I have this order at anyway? Yeah. Get back to basics. I'm starting over. Cancel sales. Still bearish. All right, this one I think we should push on the next one. We got volume. Got 15 minutes before the market opens. Back to the $40 rule. Got all year, yo. I ain't got to make it all back in one day, right? We are not breaking above 50. We're at 51. We hanging out right there. Out there we go. Let's go. Got a green candle finally. Still a little volume, a little velocity. 52. Let's go. 10 points we need. Got a 351, 352. Need 7 more 10 more points. Mm, New candle. All right, getting it back to it, 351. If we can just get up here and hold above it. We're struggling to get above 349, which is not good. We need to stay above 349, 45. So both times I tried to swing, it didn't work out for me. Yeah, we know swinging today. Look at that. Right back down. Like 12 minutes before the open. This market is savage. I'm making completely messed up choices. And back down. Like I should just be shorting off the five the way this thing is moving. All right, it held that level though. That was an equal. That was an equal low. I could be getting ready to get a bounce right there. You see those two right there. Those were equal lows. So we could get us a bounce, push up, catch that. All right, green doji. Let's go. Let's go. I just want to get a win, man. I ain't even gonna be in here all day. I just get the win, and then I'm out of here. Shoot, $40 a day, back to where I was at. Start over. Starting over. Let's see. Are we gonna be able to get this $40 though? We fighting for it real hard. You get $40 a day. Now I'm at maybe 9,000, 9,000. So expectations get you in trouble. It's just dropping again. Right here at the market open. No retreat, no surrender. Apparently, we're gonna dive into the just crash out. Apparently, so everybody's gonna wake up. to this. We were here yesterday, right there. So we were here. So it's a gap down, not a huge gap down, but enough to probably spook the market. You know what I'm saying? Nvidia's down. It's just right here in this range at the bottom. All right, 21. Getting a push up. Let's see if we get a push. This is so crappy. Trade the way I'm trading. Look at that. Back down. So if I would just switch gears and just short, I would have made that money twice already. You see what I'm saying? So maybe next time it gets up, I might go short. All right, 43. We need 20 more points. 45. We needed to get up and stay above 51 for us. We got 8 minutes before the market opens. Make a push up. Where we at? Week 56. Let's go. See to get my 40. Get my 40. 40 for the day. Call it a day. All right. Got one good one. One good trade out of these four shitty trades for the day. What? Oh, that's for the year. 40 bucks. Don't even feel as good as it should. 924. Where are we at? 60. All right, so we get ready to wait for the market to open now. Fell back down to what is this? The low is 33. We're at 58. All right, so let's see. What are we gonna do? We're gonna pull back. Let's wait. Close that. We're gonna hit this. This is 65. Then pull back probably. Or we'll continue. Or push up to 402. Should get a retracement back down to 55, I would say. We're going into 60. 3 minutes before the open. Oh, now it wants to run.